So now that we're able to have friends over, it's not always easy to hit the bar when you're making a drink. So I'm going to show you how to batch a very simple martini. You can leave it in the freezer, get it whenever you want, and you don't have to break out the bar because the simple drinks batch easy. So get a bottle, at least a 750 ml. It's going to hold about 26 ounces of liquid, and you're not going to make more than about 24 if you make 6 drinks. We're going to do this on a 2 1/4 ounce pour of gin, a 3/4 ounce pour of vermouth, and a dash of bitters. But what people don't realize is they have to account for the water when you shake the martini or stir it, and that's just about 1 ounce of water that I already put in the bottle. So you know that it's about a 4 ounce pour into your martini glass, 3 ounces of alcohol. So first we're going to do 2 1/4 ounces of gin. I'm multiplying it by 6 because that's what's going to hold in my bottle, which makes to 13 1/2 ounces. So here we go. This is a 2 cup or 16 ounce cup from OXO. So I'm just going to pour this in here, 13 and sort of a half. Set that down, straight into the bottle, just like that. 3/4 ounce of vermouth per, so that makes it 4 1/2. 4 1/2 ounces of vermouth. This is for a dry martini. Vermouth goes straight in. And then the recipe that I'm using calls for bitters. So it's 1 dash per drink. We just made 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably a little bit more in there than I need, but whatever. Barely made it in there. You can add more when you're done. Take your funnel out, set it down, close it up for your freezer, and you're ready to go. About 6 hours in the freezer, it'll be cold enough to drink, and you'll be happy that you made 6 martinis all at once. Have lemon peel, some olives, and don't forget to chill that martini glass. It'll be perfect for when you have your friends over.